Good morning, students. Today we have the next lesson for the revision, that is lesson 3, Jonathan learns to fly, and it is based on the theme courage. You know the story about this, which already I have explained to you, but all the same, just will bring back to our mind. Thereafter, we will have the discussion of the question answers and the book exercises, which is already I have just taught to you. Then you will prepare for the test. So Jonathan Learns to Fly is an extract from Richard Butt's named Jonathan Livingston Seagull. It is a descriptive passage that paints a picture of Jonathan's perseverance in trying to do something that is different from what is expected of him. So most of the times every creatures have some expectation and thereafter they will do according to it. But here you will find Jonathan, a seagull, a passionate seagull, wanting to be different from that of the other seagulls. So for that he has to go through so much of learning process, and in that lesson here how Jonathan takes this challenge and how he does his learning the speed of flying speed, how he want to fly more high. That was his dream, that was his wish. He was not restricted only being a seagull, only searching for food, fighting for the daily food, but he wanted to be something very different. So Jonathan is a young seagull who is passionately flying, passionate about flying, and he wants to study the speed and the master of the art of flying. So for that he worked so hard, and finally, and we know his parents were upset, they were worried about him, they were thinking that he is going out of their hand, and they were worried so much. And his father over and again tells that your work is to main work is to find food for your daily living. But Jonathan was even ready to give up his food. He does not want to eat food, but he wanted to really practice the learning of flying high, the speed. He wanted to increase the speed, and finally what happened, he succeeded in that, and he is the most well-known seagulls that ever we had in this earth. And the message is that it is not that we should be restricted with a few things that is told to us. We have to go through some pain, some challenges, so that we can be different, we can remain different, can fulfill the dream of our life. So that is what that we learn from this particular lesson. So let us go through the book exercises. So first and foremost, learn the word meanings well, so that you can write at any time any question answers are asked to you. Then at the same time, learn the short questions. Even from within the question answers you will get short answers also. So please pay attention to each and every long answers. Also from within the answers you will get the questions. So let us go for the first exercise. You have the fill in the blanks. I have already solved and given to you, and I suppose you also have done it. So let us go through together. Number 1, a busy day for the gulls began with them dash. Options are given. So we have the fight for food. So the whole day their main work is to be busy with the searching for the food. No, that is a fighting for the food. Now among themselves also they begin to fight, means searching, getting the food. Most gulls cared only for eating. So their main work was eat, sleep. They are not bothered about how much they have to fly. When the boat comes, they were running for the food to collect. Jonathan spent whole days alone experimenting. So his experiment was how can he increase the speed of flying high. Number 4, Jonathan wished to study the subject of speed. He was not worried about the subject of his strength or how to get the food, but he was worried about how speedily he could do the flying. Jonathan's behavior made his parents naturally worried, because they were thinking that his identity is to remain and search for the food and for the daily living and live their life. Jonathan was off by himself, hungry, happy, learning. No, he was hungry. Nothing was mattering for him. He was happy also, hungry also, but he wanted to do the learning part, increasing the speed. Let's see the question answers. What happened when the first fishing boats went out to sea in the morning? You already know the story. They were rushing. The seagulls were rushing towards the boats to get what? Let's see. When the first fishing boats went out to the sea, it was a sign for the gulls to come and look for breakfast and dodge from being chased away. So, number 2 we have, how was Jonathan different from other gulls? No, already it was told Jonathan is wanting to be different, and he was different from other seagulls. Jonathan was different from the other gulls because he loved to fly rather than eat. So he was diligently fine-tuning his flying skills. He was practicing his flying skills. Number 3, why was Jonathan's mother worried? Jonathan's mother was worried because he was different from the other gulls, and because of that he was constantly polishing his flying skills, ignoring even his food. Naturally, Jonathan's mother was worried. After all, a mother. Mother feels if the children have not eaten food. So continuously he was only practicing, and the mother was very much worried. Which 3 words would you use to describe Jonathan? No, the first and foremost thing that come to our mind is his courage. Everything different from what others were normally doing, and that was it took him to courage to go forward for a better choice, different choice. So Jonathan, brave, courage, that is a courage. Persistent means a continuous, even he was failing many times, he must have fallen down, he must have got hurt, but persistent, again and again trying. And dedicated would be the 3 words to be best to describe Jonathan. He was dedicated. The dream he wanted to fulfill, he decided something, he was fully, completely dedicated to get the result of that. Number 5, how did Jonathan try to behave like the other seagulls? So number 5 here, angry by his father, means chided by his father, Jonathan tried to behave like other gulls. He screeched and fought over bits of food and dived in search of scraps of bread and fish like them. Means his father was very angry, and he got so upset with him. So again Jonathan stopped for some time. He came back and he was living just like a normal life, just like any other seagulls were doing. He was going to the boat, fighting for the food and little piece of bread, whatever he gets in the seashore. And it did not go on so many days. He again went back to his practice. What happened when Jonathan held his wings still at high speed? Jonathan was able to fly incredibly, unbelievably he was able to fly if he held his wings still at high speed. So he was very much sure if he keeps his wings steady, he can fly very high. That was his wish, and he wanted to fulfill that. We have the extracts. The first one, this flying business is all very well, but you can't eat a glit. Don't you forget that the reason you fly is to eat. These are the words given by his father. Who spoke these words to Jonathan? Why did the speaker talk about eating? Jonathan's father spoke these words to him. He spoke about food because he thought that Jonathan was being foolish to trying to polish his flying skills for the sake of flying. His father felt that it was more important to learn life and survive well skills. No, he wanted to, the most important skill according to his father was to search for the food. So that was the thing he wanting him to do. What had the speaker advised Jonathan to study a little earlier? Jonathan's father advised him to study how to get his food if he insisted on study. Now continuously he was telling to do that, he wanted to learn, but he said if you wanted to that, you should have learned it before, how to do the fishing or how to do the search of food. What extent did Jonathan follow this advice? He couldn't do that for continuously. For some time he managed. Let us see what is answer. Jonathan tried to follow his advice for a few days by behaving as the other girls did, but he could not make it work, typically of his nature. He ends up deliberately dropping the small fish he caught to a hungry old girl. No, the story is there. He gave it to somebody else who was fighting for the food, and he felt it was pointless, silly battle over food. He felt it was a really silly matter to go and fight only to get the food than when there was a lot of other choices there. Number 2. From 1,000 feet, flapping his wings as hard as he could, he pushed over into a blazing steep dive towards the waves. This was a very dangerous zone for Jonathan. What was Jonathan learned in a week's practice? In a week's practice, Jonathan has learned about speed than the fastest seagull alive. Learned more about speed than the fastest seagulls alive. He was the only first one who really became the most fastest bird or the animal that is alive in the whole of the world. Number B. Why is his blazing steep dive a mistake? Now, Jonathan's blazing steep dive is a mistake because he loses control of his wings at a high speed. His wings go unstable on the upstroke. So, there is a every bird has its own figure shape. Now, according to that only they can go for the flying. So he was going he was diving very blazing high steep dive, means he was coming down very fast, which was not appropriate for his wings to be for the wings. It was not at all safe. That's why he was gone out of control. Number C. Does he give up after his failure? It was a failure for him, but whether he gave up or not. Jonathan does not give up after his failure. No, he has come down straight down, but he did not give up. He tries repeatedly and thinks about what caused his defeat and tries again. No, he was so much passionately in love with increasing the speed of flying. So nothing mattered him. Though he must have failed many times, but he tried and he succeeded in that, and he found what was the mistake, what happened, why he failed. When each time he made a mistake, he was finding out and then he was improving, and this is what we have to do. So students, we have the question answers, word meanings, and fill ups all these. See that you are just going through well, learning it, and rest of the exercise given in the book is later for the half yearly we'll make much use of it, but only keep in mind within the book, out of the questions we get all these. So please learn it. Wish you all the best. Thank you.